In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up the chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. This is a crucial task to help maintain a clear and streamlined accounting process. So, let's dive right in and start by addressing what needs to be done. First, look over to the left panel of your QuickBooks Online interface. You'll see a list of various options there. But for now, focus on finding the Transactions section. Once you're there, click on it, and it will open up a new set of options. Among these options, look for the Chart of Accounts tab. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on this tab will display a comprehensive list of all your accounts. Now, depending on the size of your business, this list could be quite extensive. The Chart of Accounts essentially acts like an organizational directory for all your financial data. It's where you'll find all the accounts that document your financial transactions. So keeping this section tidy is vital for a clear financial overview. To start cleaning up, go through this list and identify any accounts that you find unnecessary or outdated. For instance, if there are accounts that are no longer in use or any duplicates, you'll want to remove these to declutter the list. Now, for each undesirable account, simply click on the checkbox next to it. This will select the account for removal. You can select multiple accounts at once by checking several boxes, which is especially handy if you have several accounts to clean up. Once you've selected the accounts that you're ready to remove, glance over to the top left of your screen. Here, you will find a button labeled Batch Actions. Clicking on this button reveals several options for actions you can take with the selected accounts. In this case, you're looking for the Make Inactive option. Selecting Make Inactive will effectively remove these unneeded accounts from your active chart of accounts. It's a simple action, but one that helps maintain the overall clarity and organization of your financial records. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully cleaned up your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online, ensuring that your financial data is neat and free from any unnecessary clutter. This process not only helps to enhance the accuracy of your reports, but also makes navigating through your accounts a lot less cumbersome. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and helpful. Keeping your company's financial information organized is crucial, and it all starts with a tidy chart of accounts. Thanks for joining me in today's walkthrough on QuickBooks Online, and happy accounting!